Choosing the right product from the market is a hectic job, but don't worry, we've made the task easier by preparing the list of the best ones ready for you. If you want to know more about these models, then click on the links given in the description. Now let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
The electric skateboard market is blooming during the last couple of years. When it comes to selecting the right board, there are 5 major areas to evaluate: the board's performance, design, quality, value, and service.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comment section below.
This electric longboard from Teamgee comes with a 12mm ultra-thin deck at 14.6 pounds weight and makes the board more portable for commuting. Its 760-watt dual-motor equipment can quickly reach 22 miles per hour in the fast mode after startup, and the high-speed rotation of the motor brings a speedy experience. Its 90mm PU wheel distributes gravity to improve ride stability while providing excellent grip performance. And it also renders security for challenging complex actions. Plus, it boasts a 10-layer Canadian maple wood deck to carry people's weight of up to 220 pounds for a smooth, comfortable ride. And its intelligent 2-way remote control has 4 speed modes with buttons for effortless operation. Moreover, this incredible board holds a max range of up to 11 miles, and also includes an LCD screen for indicating changing speeds, directions, and reversing.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
This new BACKFIRE G2 Black features a 37-inch Superior Flex 8-layer Canadian maple deck, a low center of gravity, a 7-inch front truck, and a new back rear truck for ultimate handling and stability at high speeds. Its 2 specially customized 400-watt in-hub motors offer a lower center of gravity, and its motor and the tires are independently replaceable for providing more choice of 96mm or 85mm wheels. Its Galaxy's deck is made of 8 layers of hard rock maple to make it flexible yet solid, and its built-in advanced battery management system is carefully installed and arranged to prevent shocking damage during high-speed riding. Plus, it can continuously output a stable 24-amp current to provide your board with sturdy and robust energy, as well as its ESC controller and drive system have been upgraded with brand new architecture and new drive circuit.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
This MAXFIND board's powerful electric longboard is robust, sustainable, and as cool as you can get. It is equipped with MAXFIND M5 dual hub motor driving, which is safer and more compact. And it offers a smoother and quieter ride with a top speed of 42 kilometers per hour and provides superb manipulation in a wide variety of conditions. Its high-performance in-wheel motor has an incredible transformation efficiency of 85% to ensure an excellent acceleration with extended range. And it utilizes proprietary forging and CNC milling manufacturing processes with 45-degree precise cutting to make its strength better than a traditional die-casting truck. Plus, this e-board has flexible 8-ply maple with carbon fiberboard decking for combining both traditional flexibility and strength. It is also lightweight and portable to your office place and has a rapid charging time of only 120 minutes.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
This electric longboard from Hiboy comes with a couple of brushless hub motors and gives out constant power output. Its reliable 350-watt dual hub motors allow you to stretch a journey up to 13 miles on a single full battery charge. And it includes a battery with specification 36-volt 4.4 amps per hour and requires a charging voltage of AC 100 to 240 volts or 50 to 60 hertz. Its engines benefit the skateboards in giving a rider a sense of secure riding and smoother experience, as well as its radio frequency ergonomic design controller has a quick response quotient to navigate the speed with your level of ease and comfort. Plus, It has customized 4 riding modes and 4 brake modes to render a careful taper when braking or accelerating the longboard. Furthermore, it can carry smoothly within the range of weighing 66.14 pounds to 220 pounds.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
This SKATEBOLT electric skateboard comes with 25 miles per hour top speed and 18.6 miles max range, with the sturdy 8 layers of Northeast maple, and makes you feel comfortable and steady on the board. It offers 2 types of ride modes, like normal mode and the sports mode. Its normal mode can take you through heavy traffic and dense crowds like a breeze, and its sports mode, on the other hand, can take you as fast as 25 miles per hour. Its upgraded 7500 mAh battery can keep cruising up to 21 to 24 miles in medium mode, and up to 26 miles per hour with dual motors. Plus, it comes equipped with 2 red warning taillights to ensure safe riding in the dark streets, as well as its remote controller is designed with an LCD screen display to enable you to check the speed mode, battery capacity, and brake mode.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.